Okay, so here we go. Another edition of Home Improvement, and let's check this out. We have a you see that? You see that? So this is my first time trying to fix this. It's my first time, and we're going to see what we can do. Every time you turn it on, the water leaks. I located it, and it's pretty easy. So let's check it out, and let's. So like I said, this is my first time doing this, but what I do know is that first you want to turn off the water. So this right here goes right to the hose, the outdoor hose spigots, or whatever you want to call it. It has a few names. If you can't find this, then turn off the main water to the whole house. Okay, you don't want water going all over the place, plus it's just a lot safer. So we're going to turn this off, and it's off. So some tools you might need are some wrenches. Okay, wrenches, and where'd it go? I just had it. Oh, here it is. Okay, and you're gonna be having this. Okay, it's the whole system. Okay, I bought a 1/2 inch. It's about 4 inches, and as you can see, over the winter, it cracked right here, and it will be spraying water. So we're gonna replace the whole thing. Like I said again, it's my first time. Let's try it. If not, then I give up and I call a plumber. So what you do is you start by unscrewing this. It's one of the steps in there. And as you can see, there it is right there. That's the copper pipe, the whole system. Okay, water's off, nothing going on. As you can see, I'm unscrewing that pipe. It's a little tight, a little frustrating, but that's okay. Check that out. Can you see that? Do you see that right there? That's the old one. This is the new one. So check it out. You take the new one. So you got this one, the new one. Make sure it's the new. Put it in there like that. Then we'll come back and we'll screw it in. Okay, so make sure you have some Teflon tape. And you want to wrap it clockwise. So since this is backwards, I have to use my imagination, but you go clockwise. Let's see here. Oh, dang it. It's a little difficult. Oh shit. Okay. All right. Well, let me wrap this up, and then we'll get back to the next part. I'm gonna hit cut. So now it's on there, and what I'm going to do is now you tighten it up, and then we're pretty much done. So let's tighten it up. Okay, so like what I said, it's my first time doing this. We just finished putting everything back on. Now we got to turn on the water, okay? Not this one, we already did that one, but this one right here, okay? And, okay, up means the water is flowing that way. So now let's go test it out. Okay, so I went down to the hardware store. I had to fix this because it was spraying all over the frickin' place. And it's the right size. This piece right here cost me about $47. If you were to do this yourself, if you were to hire somebody to come out and do this, it would cost you about maybe $250 to $350 just for them to show up. So I saved myself about $200. I'm gonna go hit the casino now with that extra money. Subscribe, like, share. I'll talk to you later.